Here are 4 easy steps to help you get started with digital marketing in 2026. And yes, these are the same steps I would take if I had to start over from zero. But let me be clear. Easy does not mean effortless. Easy means simple to understand. You still have to actually do the damn work. Because digital marketing is not magic. It is not posting random motivational quotes and hoping strangers fall in love with your Wi-Fi personality. Digital marketing is using content, trust, offers, and traffic to sell products or services online. That is the game. Stop making it mystical. In 2026, the people winning online are not always the smartest. They are the most specific, the most consistent, and the least confused. So step number 1 is this. Pick a micro niche, not a broad niche, a micro niche. Because broad content is where beginner dreams go to die. Hey girl! Hey girl! Saying I want to make content about money is too vague. Saying I help beginners sell digital products before getting monetized is specific. Saying I do fitness is too vague. Saying I help busy moms lose belly fat at home with 20-minute workouts is a micro niche. Specificity makes your content searchable. Specificity makes your audience trust you. Specificity makes people say, oh damn, this is for me. And if nobody feels like your content is for them, then congratulations, you built a billboard in the desert. Looks nice. Nobody cares. So before you post anything, answer this. Who are you helping? What problem are you solving? And what result are they trying to get? That is digital marketing basics. That is content marketing. That is online business. That is how you stop posting like a confused squirrel. Step number 2, create content around pain points, not your ego. Nobody cares that you bought a ring light if your message is trash. Your content needs to answer questions your audience is already searching for, like how to start digital marketing, how to sell digital products, or how to make money online. This is where SEO keywords matter. You want words like digital marketing for beginners, online income, content strategy, affiliate marketing, and digital products inside your videos. Not stuffed in like a scammy robot. Say them naturally. Speak like a human who knows what the hell they are talking about. Your job is not to look busy online. Your job is to become useful. Useful content builds trust way faster than pretending your life is perfect. Talk about the problem. Talk about the mistake. Talk about the cost of staying stuck. Then give them a starting point. Example, if you want to start digital marketing in 2026, stop asking what should I post and start asking what problem am I solving. That one shift can save you months of looking cute online while making $0. And yes, looking cute with no sales is still broke. Content should teach, clarify, challenge, or convert. If your content does none of those, it is decoration. Pretty decoration maybe, but still decoration. Step number 3, build an offer early. This is where most beginners mess up because they chase followers before they know what they are selling. Let me say this loud. Followers are not a business model. Views are not a business model. Viral attention is not a damn retirement plan. If you want to make money with digital marketing, you need something to sell or promote. A digital product, service, affiliate product, template, checklist, guide, or course. And no, your first offer does not need to be perfect. Perfect is often procrastination wearing expensive perfume. Start simple. A beginner digital product could be a checklist, workbook, mini guide, content planner, Notion template, Canva template, or short video training. The goal is not to build the biggest product. The goal is to solve one annoying problem clearly enough that someone says, I need that. This is why your micro niche matters. When you know the audience, the offer becomes easier. Confused audience equals confused product. If your audience is beginners trying to make money online, your offer might help them pick a niche, create content, or build their first digital product. If your audience is fitness beginners, your offer might be a 7-day meal guide, workout tracker, or beginner home workout plan. Mid-video reality check. If you are posting every day but have no offer, you are basically doing free labor for the algorithm. Cute, but painful. So build the offer early. Even if it is small, even if it is messy, small money teaches you more than imaginary big money. And if you want help organizing your niche, content, and first offer, Check the information in my bio. Start with structure before you burn yourself out. Step number 4, create a simple traffic system. Because posting once, disappearing for 2 weeks, and coming back like nothing happened is not strategy. Your traffic system should be simple. Post content, send people somewhere, collect attention, build trust, and make the offer clear. That somewhere could be your stand store, email list, free checklist, landing page, YouTube channel, or product page. But there needs to be a next step. A lot of beginners lose money because they treat every post like a standalone event. No funnel, no direction, just vibes and unpaid bills. In digital marketing, your content should not just entertain. It should move people closer to a decision. That is what a content funnel does. Top of funnel content gets attention. Middle of funnel content builds trust. Bottom of funnel content explains the offer and handles objections. If that sounds complicated, it is not. It means some posts attract people, some posts educate people, and some posts tell people what to do next. Stop being scared to sell. Selling is not evil. Manipulation is evil. Selling something useful to someone who needs it is called business. And if you feel weird selling, ask yourself this: do you believe your offer actually helps people? If not, fix the offer. Do not hide forever. Now let's put the 4 steps together. Step 1, choose a micro niche. Step 2, create pain point content. Step 3, build a simple offer. Step 4, send traffic to that offer with a clear next step. That is the beginner digital marketing system. Not sexy, but it works. The reason most people fail is not because digital marketing does not work. It is because they try to skip the boring parts. They want sales without trust. They want trust without content. They want content without strategy. And they want strategy without thinking. Be serious. In 2026, you cannot just post and pray. The internet is too crowded, people are too distracted, and attention spans are cooked like gas station pizza. You need clarity. Who do you help? What problem do you solve? What content proves you can help? What offer gives them the next step? That is the difference between a creator and a digital marketer. A creator posts content. A digital marketer builds content around a business objective. And yes, you can start with no experience. But no experience is not an excuse to stay lazy. Learn, post, measure, adjust, repeat. Your first post might suck. Good. That means you started. Bad content in public beats perfect content trapped in your notes app. Your first product might not sell fast. Good. Now you have data. Data is better than delusion. Delusion is expensive as hell. Pay attention to what people save, comment on, ask about, click on, and watch longer. That tells you what the market actually cares about. Do not build your whole strategy around what you like. Build around where your skill, your audience pain, and a clear offer overlap. Because digital marketing is not about being famous. It is about being trusted by the right people for the right problem. If you only remember one thing, remember this: content creates trust, trust creates demand, demand makes the offer easier to sell. So here is your homework. Pick one micro niche, write down one audience pain point, create one piece of helpful content, and outline one simple offer. Do not overthink it for 6 months. Do not make a 47-tab spreadsheet. Do not hold a board meeting with your fear. Start. The people winning are not waiting until they feel ready. They are getting better while moving. Confidence comes after reps, not before. So if I had to start digital marketing over in 2026, that is exactly what I would do. Niche down, post with purpose, build the offer, and drive traffic. Then repeat until it pays. Stop guessing your way through digital marketing. I broke down the 4 steps to help you start in 2026. Go grab them in my bio and actually start moving.